Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today this video is about down to earth, the expression of saying down to earth. Down to earth is used like an adjective to describe someone that is very humble and easy to talk to, especially when we talk to people that has got a position or artists or actor or actresses or these kind of people that are well known, at least to a community that we belong to. They are well known and they have reasons to be proud of themselves, to be a bit, you know, looking down to others. Or these kind of, these kind of actions is not very odd if they do. If you see one of them doing such an action, doing such a thing, then you say, yeah, because of this and because of that, she is right, he is right. This she should do this, But you, on the other hand, you find some people that are really easy to talk to, easy to contact. They are very humble, they are very easygoing, and then you call them, these type of people, as down to earth. Okay, you call them down to earth, you call them very humble. So down to earth means humble. Okay, now let's look at the examples. Even if a planet can be named after you, you should always remain down to earth. You should remain this way, and this is humble. Okay, down to earth over here means humble. Always means the same thing. And over here is the person saying that if a planet can be named after you means if you have a position, if you are in a position, or if you are wealthy or well known, or in a condition that a planet even can be named after you. Okay, in this situation, even in this situation, you should stay humble. You should remain down to earth, means humble. All right, let's look at the other one. The other example says, say what you want about James, but he is a down to earth kind of guy. Okay, so some people are talking about James, and another person just defends, or let's say uh, backs him up and says, say whatever you want to say whatever you want about this guy, but do not say that he is uh, very, you know, he is proud of himself, or not. Of course, being proud of yourself is not a bad thing, but don't say that he's a snob, okay? Because he's humble, because he is down to earth. By saying down to earth means he's humble. He is very easy to talk to and easy to contact. Okay, right. He had a down to earth attitude that translated into a straightforward but effective strategy. Okay, so we're talking about a person, a he. Okay, which who has got this attitude. What kind of attitude? Down to earth. That's, as you can see, is the adjective. It describes the attitude. So we're talking about the attitude, how the attitude is. Let's say humble, and that attitude, a humble or down to earth attitude, means, when we say translates into, means straightforward but effective strategy. So his strategy is straightforward, easy to understand. It's not complicated. It's really simple. But at the same time, it is effective. Okay? So that, and the person saying the sentence believes that this is because of that attitude, which is how? Down to earth, humble. So when we find someone that is really cool, okay, very friendly, and is not scared of photographers, or I don't know, newspaper people, then we call them down to earth. It's not always about those famous people, the TV characters and those kind of people. Sometimes we have some people that are very well known and very loved ones. they are very loved by the community. They are loved so much by the community, but they're not, they do not turn to people that just see them. You have to take appointments. You have to book appointments. Okay, so they are down to earth. So they can be just someone like me and you. Okay, me and you can also be down to earth based on wherever we are in our position. It doesn't really need to be a TV star or a rock star to be proud or the other way. Okay. Anyway, this is what it means. This means humble. I hope this has been helpful. Has introduced the idea. You have an idea. You know how to use it now. Happy to be here with you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.